Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today, I'll be reviewing Sage Intacct, a platform designed to help businesses manage various aspects of their operations, from accounting to payroll, HR, and more. Is Sage Intacct worth it in 2024? You'll soon have an answer. We'll be taking a detailed look at what Sage offers, exploring its main features, pricing, pros and cons. At the end of this video, you'll be able to make an informed decision as to whether Sage Intacct is a good choice for your business or whether it's not. Sage Intacct is an American provider of cloud-based accounting software and services available in a number of regions around the globe, including the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, Australia, and South Africa. Sage is particularly meant for small and medium-sized businesses. It is designed to streamline and automate many business processes, making it easier to manage accounting, payroll, and human resources. Sage offers a variety of software solutions that cater to different business needs like accounting and financial management, payroll and HR, as well as enterprise resource planning, ERP. Now let's talk about the main features of Sage Intacct. Automated accounting. Sage automates many accounting tasks such as invoicing, bank reconciliation, and expense tracking. This reduces the time spent on manual data entry and helps minimize errors. Comprehensive payroll management. Sage handles all aspects of payroll, including tax calculations, direct deposits, and employee self-service postals. It also keeps up to date with changing tax laws to ensure compliance. Human Resources Management Tools. Sage HR module helps businesses manage employee records, track performance, and handle benefits administration. It also provides tools for recruitment and onboarding. In-depth reporting. Sage offers a range of customizable reports, allowing businesses to gain insights into their financial health, payroll expenses, and other key metrics. Cloud-based access. Sage's cloud-based solutions allows users to access their data from anywhere, making it easier for remote teams to stay connected and manage business processes on the go. Integration capabilities. Sage integrates with a variety of other software solutions such as CRM systems and e-commerce platforms to provide a more seamless business experience. How about the pricing? Sage offers a variety of pricing plans depending on the specific software solution and the size of your business. But here is a general breakdown. Number 1, for Sage Accounting, pricing starts at around $10 per month for the entry-level plan. More advanced plans with additional features can cost up to $25 per month. For Sage Payroll, pricing starts at approximately $49 per month plus a per employee fee. This includes features like automated tax filing and compliance. For Sage HR, pricing starts around $5 per employee per month, with additional costs for more advanced features like performance management and recruitment tools. For Sage ERP, costs vary significantly depending on the size and needs of the business, with pricing typically starting in the range of $1,000 to $5,000 per year. It's important to note that Sage offers custom pricing for larger enterprises or businesses with specific needs, so it's worth reaching out to them directly for a tailored quote. What are the pros and cons of using Sage Intacct? First, we discuss the pros. Comprehensive solutions. Sage provides a wide range of tools that cover multiple aspects of business management, making it a one-stop shop for many businesses. The solutions they offer are also designed to grow with your business, so whether you're a small startup or an established enterprise, you can find a solution that fits your needs. Strong focus and compliance. Sage's payroll and accounting tools are regularly updated to ensure compliance with local tax laws and regulations, which is a big plus for businesses looking to avoid costly mistakes. Cloud-based flexibility. This ability to access your data from anywhere is a significant advantage, especially for businesses with remote teams or multiple locations. Integration capabilities. Sage's ability to integrate with other business tools makes it easier to create a seamless workflow, reducing the need to switch between different platforms. Now let's talk about the cons. Cost. While Sage offers a range of pricing options, some of its more advanced features can be expensive, particularly for smaller businesses on a tight budget. The learning curve. While Sage offers a lot of features, Sage's comprehensive feature sets can be overwhelming for new users, and it may take some time to fully understand how to use all of the tools effectively. Limited customization. While Sage offers a lot of features, some users have reported that the customization options are limited, which can be a drawback for businesses with very specific needs. So, is Sage a good fit for your business? It depends on your specific needs and budgets. Sage offers a comprehensive suite of tools that can help streamline your business operations, particularly if you're looking for a solution that covers accounting, payroll, and HR in one platform. However, the cost and learning curve may be a barrier for smaller businesses or those with limited resources. But if you're a growing business that needs scalable solutions with strong compliance features, Sage will be a great choice. However, if you're looking for something more budget friendly or easier to use, you might want to explore some other alternatives. If you're looking to try other alternatives aside from Sage, based on your specific needs and your budget, you may want to explore QuickBooks, NetSuite, and Xero. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.